So I finally conducted the experiment that I wanted to do, where I buy a pepper plant from Home Depot, remove all the soil from the plant, exposing the root ball. And once I did that, I made sure to measure the water to see where the roots are exposed to water, the bottom roots, and then the top roots are exposed to air. So those would be the air roots, and then the bottom roots would be the feeding roots. And what I am using is I use the Flora Series, which is, as I'm saying it, is the order it goes, is FloraMicro, FloraGro, and FloraBloom. And I added the nutrients based on the 3 gallons of water. And once I did that, I used my pH pen. It's the Blue Labs pH pen. And it was surprisingly very easy to use. And the water was at 6.5 pH, which is perfect for these peppers. And surprisingly, the water from my water hose was at 6.5. I didn't have to adjust the pH at all. But if for any reason the pH was off by lower than 5 or higher than 6, I would have to use either pH up if it's lower than 5, and I would have to use pH down if it's higher than 6. So that was good. And then to check the nutrients to make sure, even though I added the correct balance of nutrients, I still have to check that to make sure that the plant is getting the proper nutrients so the roots don't burn. So I used this Blue Labs conductivity pen, and the conductivity pen, it measured at, I believe, oh man, I forgot. I believe it was 4. I can't remember, but I just checked it and it was perfect. But it was at a perfect reading. And if it was off, I would just have to adjust based on which one it needs. If it would need FloraGro, FloraMicro, or FloraBloom, whichever it was. But everything was perfect for this experiment. Right now, it's probably gonna wilt for the first 1 to 3 days because it's gonna be adjusting. Because it got used to the soil. And now it's gonna be adjusting to the water and the nutrients. And once it adjusts, it's gonna start growing. So I'm gonna be documenting how this plant grows, and we'll see from there. So this is day 1 of my Kratky hybrid pepper plant. I'm really excited.